Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant in 2025. How to transfer your Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Robinhood. With the crypto market evolving rapidly, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer for managing your investments. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Robinhood. Double-check that your Bitcoin is in your Crypto.com wallet and that Robinhood supports Bitcoin deposits. Spoiler, it does in 2025, but always verify the latest updates. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Head over to your wallet section, select Bitcoin, and look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll enter the destination address. Now, for Robinhood, you'll need to get your wallet address. Log into your Robinhood account, go to the crypto section, and find the deposit option for Bitcoin. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Back on Crypto.com, paste this address into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to select the right network. In 2025, Bitcoin transactions typically use the Bitcoin network, but confirm to avoid any delays or lost funds. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review the transaction details. Check the amount you're sending, any network fees involved. They can vary based on market conditions, and ensure everything looks good. Fees might be around 0.0001 BTC or more, depending on congestion, so plan accordingly. Once you're ready, approve the transaction. You'll probably need to verify it with two-factor authentication for extra security, which is a must in today's crypto world. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers usually take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour, but it could be longer if the network is busy. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account to confirm when the Bitcoin arrives. And remember, always transfer a small test amount first if you're unsure. There you have it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. By following these steps, you'll keep your assets moving smoothly and securely. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.